Hey folks, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today we are going to discuss about a simple and humble topic. The topic is recurring task. So what do you mean by recurring? Recurring refers to repeating something, right? So what do you mean by a recurring task? Recurring task is of course repeating a task. So you all have a doubt like why we need to repeat a task. So let me explain. Under every project there will be some task, right? So some of the tasks need to repeat sometimes. We can say that, yeah, for a weekly report, a monthly maintenance check, or we can say for a daily follow up, we need to repeat this particular task for a long period of time or a particular period of time, right? So in Odoo project module, we have a option which is called recurring the task. So let's see how we can do that. So what we need to do, yeah, head over to the project module. So once we enter to the dashboard, before creating a project and a task, we need to enable one configure option under the settings menu. So head over to the configuration. Here we have the settings. Let it load. Once we enter, here we have an option which is called recurring task. It's auto generate task for the regular activities. So let's enable this and don't forget to hit the save button. After that, let it load. Yeah. So let's move back to the project and let's create a simple project. So let's create a project for, yeah, a marketing team. So let's give their name. Alright, creating a project. So once we created a project, we need to create what? A task also. Here we are. So let's give the task name as weekly report. And this task belongs to the project name at marketing team. Here you can specify the milestone. And let's assign this to a particular person, Michelle admin. You can also prioritize using the stars. You can also put the tags. And you can also put the deadline also. So near the deadline, here you can see the option, right? So the option which is called recurrent. Once we click to the option, here you can see another two options appear. First one is repeat every 1 day. In what basis? We can say a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly, yearly also. So this is a week report. So let's give this for week. And here we have forever until. So we can put this for a specific time period or forever. So let's put this as forever. And here we have the allocated time also. And lastly, we can save this manually. So here you can see a smart button which is called recurring the task also. So once we enable that, we can easily see that. So I hope you all understand this video. We can easily create a recurring task under the project modules. So if you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you.